Do you want to learn English but you don't have money for expensive courses and coachings? So don't worry. In this video, I will show you how you can learn speaking English free using simple method. Yes. So you need to only your phone, internet and dedication. And of course you can learn English using those things. And if you follow these steps, you can improve English and become confident and become fluent speaker. So let's start. So today I am going to share with you few tips which is really very important for every English speaker, especially when they are beginner. Mobile smartly. First one. So yes, we all have phone. Okay. So when we use our phone smartly, at that time we no need to anyone, okay, and we no need to any person, we no need to suggestion, and we no need to go outside. We can learn English very easily using our phone. As you know very well that there are so many YouTube videos, they teach us how we can learn English, how we start English, how we become fluent. So using these videos we can learn English very well. Okay, and if I talk about practice, with whom we can do practice. So there are many YouTubers, there are many conversational videos. They are totally free. You can just send email them and you can do practice with them. It's totally free. You no need to spend single money. Okay, so use your phone smartly and learn English very well. You can use any social media platform which is comfortable for you. Second one, practice daily speaking. Maximum I saw that when people started speaking English, few days they are very interested and they learn English, but after few days they give up, they don't learn, they leave. So this is not right thing. If you really want to speak English, if you're curious about this learning this language, speaking this language, so you must do practice. As we know, practice makes us perfect. So practice is most important thing. Remember one thing, okay? If we do practice, then we can learn something. Third, learn with real life English. Yes, some people they think that first they learn grammar, they learn rules and regulation, they learn structure, phrases, idioms. So initially, and I think 8-2 level also, we no need to learn all these things. We need to just start speaking. Okay, like I am coming, I am going, I will go, she is come, she is coming, I am cooking, I am reading, I am writing, I am going there, and I am eating, like that. तो आपकी जो भी रियल लाइफ में हो रहा है तो आप उसको बोल सकते हैं और उसको बोल के ही इंग्लिश सीख सकते हैं, क्योंकि बोलने के लिए हमें बोलना ही पड़ेगा चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए. ओके, सो हमें जो है वो रियल लाइफ से, वी नो नीड टू ग्रामर, वी नो नीड टू एनी स्ट्रक्चर्स, रूल्स, रेगुलेशन, नथिंग. वी नीड टू जस्ट स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग. Next one, change your mindset. Yes, we need to change our mindset that English is not a talent, it's a skill and anybody can learn a skill. It's a language. तो हमने अपनी भाषा कैसे सीखी थी? जस्ट सेम एज इट इज़. हमने कोई ग्रामर तो नहीं सीखा, तो वी नो नीड टू ग्रामर. इनिशियली बिगनर्स नो नीड टू ग्रामर, जस्ट स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग. ओके, सो एट दैट टाइम माइंडसेट को चेंज करना है. ये कोई टैलेंट नहीं है, ये सिर्फ एक स्किल है, लैंग्वेज है, और वी यूजिंग some tips and we step by step we can learn this language, and these things make us fluent and confident. Okay, next one, use free resources smartly. As we know very well, we have phone, we have internet, so there are many websites, applications like, and if I talk about ChatGPT, AI, and many free videos, so they teach us very well. Okay, using them we can learn English, we can learn speak English easily. Okay, start speaking one day. So don't be viewer, be learner. Okay, मैंने क्योंकि ज़्यादातर लोग जो है वो बहुत सारे वीडियोस देखते रहते हैं और वो यही सोचते हैं कि भाई हम सीख क्यों नहीं पा रहे हैं। तो बात ये है कि भाई वीडियो देखने से थोड़ी हम सीखेंगे, उसके लिए हमें बोलना पड़ेगा। सो स्टॉप, यस ऑफ कोर्स वॉचिंग, सो स्टॉप वॉचिंग के साथ साथ में हमें लर्नर भी बनना है, सीखना भी है। एट द सेम टाइम हमें उनके साथ साथ बोलना सीखना है। ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज कंसिस्टेंसी इज द की, द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग। ओके, कंसिस्टेंसी, अगर आप कंसिस्टेंसी के साथ एक महीने आप 15 मिनट्स भी दे रहे हो तो इट विल बी सफिशिएंट फॉर यू। ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन लर्न ईजली बाय गिविंग योर 10 और 15 मिनट्स ओनली ऑन 1 मंथ। और एक महीने के बाद जब आपको रिजल्ट अच्छा मिलेगा तो आपको लगेगा यस मुझे और प्रैक्टिस करनी चाहिए। सो वॉट एवर यू डू प्लीज़ बी कंसिस्टेंट। कंसिस्टेंसी, क्योंकि अगर हम समटाइम्स क्या होता है कि कुछ लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं, दे स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग, देन दे गिव अप, देन दे स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग, देन दे गिव अप, देन स्टार्ट। तो ऐसे में इंग्लिश या कुछ भी सीख पाना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है और बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है। मुझे खुद इस भाषा को सीखने में 20 ईयर्स लगे। इट्स बीन 20 ईयर्स। येस ऑफ कोर्स इट्स टू मच टाइम, इट्स लॉन्ग टाइम, बट इट्स ओके। फाइनली आई हैव लर्न दिस लैंग्वेज एंड आई एम रियली वेरी हैप्पी. So I learned this language because I was really passionate about this. I really love this language. So that's why I think I have learned. Now it's your turn. Okay? Please use these things, use these tips, follow these tips step by step and learn English. And if you have any questions, if you find this video helpful, please let me know in the comment box. So thank you so much. Now no expensive course, no expensive coaching, and just start speaking learning. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget like, subscribe and share.